Namaste friends, this is Ramesh Pitla LLB. So I want to create an awareness about wearing the mask and what would be the penalty if someone doesn't wear the mask. Recently all state governments issued order to wear the mask in public places. So those who are all not wearing the mask in public places will have to pay a penalty of 1000 rupees as per the orders issued by the Telangana government. As per the government order, wearing a face mask has been made mandatory in all public places, workplaces, workspaces and means of transport. So with the main objective of preventing the spread of coronavirus, spread of this pandemic COVID-19. In case if there are any deviation from the order will attract prosecution under section 51 to 60 of Disaster Management Act 2005 and section 188 of Indian Penal Code, the government order said. So here I would like to explain about this IPC section 188. So Indian Penal Code 188 says what it says, that whoever knowing that by an order promulgated by a public servant lawfully empowered to promulgate such order, he is directed to abstain from a certain act or to make certain order with certain property in his possession or under his management disobeys such direction shall, if such disobedience causes or tends to cause obstruction, annoyance or injury, of risk of obstruction, annoyance or injury to any persons lawfully employed, be punished with simple imprisonment for a term which may extend to 1 month or with fine which may extend to 200 rupees or with both. This is a standard definition, the foremost important point in this section, and we have another part. So we have a remaining let me explain about a remaining standard definition. And if such disobedience causes or tends to cause danger to human life, health or safety, or causes or tends to cause a riot or affray, shall be punished with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 6 months or with fine which may extend to 1000 rupees or with both. So dear friends, you need to observe one thing here. This section is 188 section is very important and it may useful for so many things, because when a public servant issue an order by to take care about the public health for public safety purposes, any public servant issues any order, the public, everyone has to obey the orders, everyone supposed to follow the instructions, because the government told to everyone to wear the mask. Suppose X is a person, he might be affected with the corona, he doesn't know about that, but he is not following the government instructions, and without face mask if he is roaming here and there with recklessness, it may harmful to other person. So he is spreading the coronavirus to other people. So not only Telangana, most of all the states enacted this act, every state government gave this order to the respective states in the perspective of public safety, for safer world, for safer community. So I request you all to wear the mask and don't neglect, and you should not take it granted. Whatever if you want to do, you cannot do anything, because public safety is responsibility of each and everyone, each and every citizen. Public safety is not just responsibility of police or political leaders, because political leaders may issue the orders, but if we implement that, if we follow the orders, if we obey to the orders, then we are in a position to save someone's life. You may have huge money, but even the rich people also suffering a lot because of this pandemic. So I request everyone to wear the mask and respect the police, respect the government rules and regulations, obey them. and spread awareness to each and everyone. And also I request you all to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Youth Vikas channel. So you'll be knowing about different various kind of laws, because if when everyone is on same page, when everyone is come to know about the law and order, nobody will try to violate law and order, because they will come to know what is the punishment in case if they violate the rules and regulations. So I request you all to subscribe to my channel, and please wear the mask, respect women, respect children, and have a bright life. Thank you so much. Signing off, Ramesh Pitla.